turning now. Pretty windy, but it really wasn't as windy just a second ago. It's definitely picking up, and you can see. And you saying that. But you can see in the skies that it's definitely clouding up. But over there towards the beach area, it still looks pretty nice and clear. We should have went out there. And it's still pretty nice over there, but the storm coming from that way, which is starting to look a little threatening. Alright, so now if you look way down there, you can see, maybe you can see different levels and different layers of clouds moving in different directions. You have the ones that look almost white, almost clear, but they are clouds. And then you have some that are going in that direction, some that are going in that direction, depending on what height and what layer you're looking at. But I don't know if the camera, you can't really see it too well in the camera. It looks much more ominous in person than it does in the camera. Oh my, how quickly things change. Now looking over it at the beach, we got some kind of cool cloudiness going on there, and around the bridge is starting to get cloudy, but yet down there it's still pretty, and down there still pretty. But then we look back over here, and really what it looks more like now is looks more like smoke blowing through. It really looks more like a fire, the way the clouds are blowing. And then behind it is clear. Now all of a sudden the birds started picking up activity. The birds all were over there hanging out in the little island thing, but now they're just going friggin' nuts as the sky darkens.
They're circling us.
They're circling, yeah. They're gonna shit on us. No, they probably don't know where they can go for safety.
Right. There's something wrong.
But now suddenly it's even more dark over there. But still, the part that I'm more impressed with is over here. The way it's just blowing through. It's blowing through as if it's fire. But it's not fire. It's storm clouds coming through. Oh, and now look at it blowing through here. Nice over there, but then we got the clouds blowing right through. Look at that. Oh, you feel that cold? Oh, holy shit, it just got freezing. Holy shit, that's cold. And now look at the water blowing. The water's blowing. Feel the wind. Oh my god. We're getting into it now. It's coming. It's coming.
Film that. The last bit of light.
The last bit of niceness is going to be filling in very soon. Although that looks good too.
Right there, the water spout.
Oh yeah. Water spout.
Right there. Oh, it's gone.
Shit.
It was right there.
It was. I saw it. I don't know if I got the camera on it in time.
Maybe we should be watching separate angles in case it's not a water spout.
Yeah, look at the way the
That was amazing.
that was good eye. Look at the way it's all blowing around. Another one will happen, I'm sure.
That was so cool.
Yeah. Look at the way it's rushing through.
Snapping you film. So cool.
Alright, just a few minutes later and it's, what, hail?
Ow!
Is it hailing?
Something.
Oh yeah, yeah, oh,
Ow.
yeah. Yeah, listen to that. white caps,
Oh my God, that hurt.
but yet it almost looks clearer.
It is.
It is clearer. But holy shit, look at how fast it's moving down there.
Okay.
Okay, they locked us in. They are locking us out of the house.
We are done. We're done. We have made the commitment.
We are on our own.
Oh my.
This may be the last time you ever hear from either of us. Oh,
Can't even
shit!
pace around the
Whoa!
block.
Holy shit! Wow! Oh,
This thing right here.
and now it's raining so hard we can't see.
Barely to the hotel from rain.
Oh! And boy, is it cold. You know, I think we might as well go in because even if there is another water spout,
Yep.
we ain't gonna see it.
In the house.
All right, in the house. We're tapping out. Bye.
Bye.